Welcome to the first chapter of Vertex CXO Conclave 2026.
We are essentially in Bangalore in a situation that Bangalore was 20 years back. What prevents us from becoming a Bangalore? Nothing.
If you're an ideal startup, if you can avail all the incentives that is provided, a startup can save up 1 crore to 1.5 crore in 3 years.
Over the last 2.5 years, everybody I met said, look, Mangaluru can be the next destination.
We always were asking for that, why Mangaluru? The question, it should be, why not? Mangaluru has everything. We should have done this 2 decades ago. Why not now? We will make sure that Mangaluru in the global map.